Did your job put your money on pause? If you've been furloughed, in this video, we're going over 5 different ways that you can make money while these politicians get their acts together. I'm Afro Senpai, and I'm interested in all things related to the average person like you and me getting wealth. Let's go. So we're going to split this into 2 different paths. Fast track, like you need the money right now, or if you're thinking, maybe I don't want to go back, then we're looking at best long-term options. So first is going to be delivery or gig work. So you're signing up for DoorDash, you're signing up for TaskRabbit. These are those businesses where you just need a car or a bike and you can deliver things to people. There's also things like Rover where you can be walking dogs if you're a pet person and getting paid that way. Number 2 is selling products in your house. Look around your house. I know it looks like a hot mess. Take the crap that you don't use anymore. Somebody will most likely want it. Start taking pictures of it, put it on Facebook Marketplace, put it on eBay, see what you can get for that old junk that you're not using anymore. Number 3 is doing surveys or micro tasks. So Amazon has this thing called Amazon MTurk, where you can take a big project, break it up into a bunch of different pieces, and then everybody works on their own individual piece. So if you're talking about data entry, things of that nature, everybody's working together for a common good to produce a project. There's also things like Prolific or Respondent.io where you're taking surveys. Best long-term option. So maybe this is time to say goodbye to whatever it is that you've been doing. You're going to be wanting to sign up through Upwork or Fiverr. If you have a skill that people could benefit from, put your services out there on these websites, and then hopefully these people will come to you and take you up on your offer. Now you will need to get yourself out there. So you might need to create a different social media profile where you're promoting your businesses, or just start off by telling your friends what you're doing so they can come visit or refer somebody else to you that they know. Were you a good student in school? Websites like Cambly, Preply, or Wyzant, you become the tutor and you can help people from around the world learn a different skill or knowledge, learn a different school subject, or in terms of Cambly, you're going to be speaking languages, so you can be a English teacher to another foreign student somewhere around the world. And I know this is number 6, and this relates to micro tasks and surveys, but becoming a customer service person for a company remotely. If you enjoy staying at home, if you enjoy hanging out in your pajamas, look for online customer service jobs from reputable companies so you can answer call and do small tasks for a company while you stay at home. And that's going to do it for this episode. I've said on multiple videos before, you cannot wait for somebody to come and save you. Nobody is coming to save you. You have to save yourself. If you've been furloughed, you can't just be waiting for the government to make their mind up about when they're going to bring people back on. You have to start earning money for yourself. And you may just find that the new job that you take on is a lot less stressful. You may get less money and you may not have medical, or you may not have the benefits, but that's going to be a give and a take. Could your new job that you get lead you into something that is much more high paying in the future? So while you take a break from your current job and do a remote customer service job, let that be time to think to yourself, is the path that I'm on the right path? And then hopefully it leads you down to a different job that's not connected to the government, so you don't have to get caught up in this furlough thing in the future. Maybe it's time that you make your own mark and you've been thinking about that entrepreneurial path, and this is the signal, this is the calling for you to start your own thing. So if you know somebody who's been furloughed, share this video with them. Don't forget to pay that like tax. These are all jobs and tasks that you can be doing to supplement the fact that you don't have any income. If you want to watch a video that relates to high income skills that you could be working on after you work your supplemental job, then stay tuned to the end because another one is going to pop up for you. And until the next one, remember to smile because you are beautiful. Peace.